popping, I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Giri, and for today's video I wanted to show you my current go-to hairstyle. And the best thing about it is that it's super quick and easy, and if you're like me, I just don't enjoy spending hours and hours doing my hair. I don't have time for that, so the hairstyle that I'm doing today is really quick and easy to do. I also think this is a great idea for the holidays, so let's get into this video. And the hairstyle that I'm doing is deep waves, or more popular I think at the moment as mermaid waves. And I've seen a lot of hair tutorials for it, but the hairdo that I'm using today is a lot different. I personally haven't seen anyone using it, and the hairdos usually used for this hair look are the ginormous 3-barrel pink crimpers. And before getting my hairdo, I did my little research and I bought something a little bit different that I think is better, looks better, and is better for your hair as well. And the hairdo that I'm using today is this deep barrel waver from the brand Tony&Guy. I bought this one from the European Amazon, from Amazon UK. They also have their own website where they do international shipping, but if you want to get this or something like this from the US Amazon, I think they have different brands, and one of the wavers that I saw is the Hot Tooth one, and also the other one is the Bad Hair Waves that are absolutely identical to this one. They have the same barrels, the same shape, even the same buttons on it. This is the tool right here. It has the unlock button here, the turn on button, and you can also adjust the temperature right here. It says that it heats up to 2000 degrees Celsius, which is quite a lot, and this heats up so quickly and it gets really hot. A little bit about this product: it also says that it has the deep plates tourmaline color lock technology, which conditions and perfects your hair color with shiny results. It has the fast heat up, it's perfect for styling all hair types, and the integrated hinge lock. Honestly, I cannot recommend this too, and I'm super happy that I chose this one over the pinky wavers. So I turned it on and it heats up for a second. Before starting, I just want to quickly mention the hair products that I use. I think it's so important to take good care of your hair, and in the shower I washed my hair last night. I used the Tresemme hair shampoo and conditioner. I usually use the repair mask, but I ran out of it. After the shower, I always go in with a hair oil. My hair is quite thick and strong, so a hair oil is absolutely perfect. This one is from the brand Alpha Parf Milano, and this one smells absolutely divine. And before blow drying my hair, I use the heat protectant, and again it's from the brand Tresemme. I love their products, and my hair doesn't love all kinds of hair products, so the fact that these work for my hair says a lot. I love their products, they smell so good. So this is the Keratin Smooth heat protectant spray that protects up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is less than we are using on our hair today, but please don't forget to use a hairspray on your hair. Also, I have a similar crimper to those 3-barrel ones, but just with the small barrels, and these are pure metal and they really fry your hair, so be careful with something like this. As I said, the hairstyle that we're doing today is so quick and easy. It's pretty self-explanatory, but basically what I do is first section of my hair, I do have a lot of hair and it's just easier for me to do it this way, and then divide it into two once again. And before we start, of course, the hair protectant spray. The waver is ready, and this tool right here for me is much easier than the other big ones, just more comfortable. It's not as heavy, and it also has the protection over here when it's not that hot. So a tool like this, I think it's a little bit more professional and better for your hair as a whole. I usually start from the back to the front, but for the bottom part of my hair, I'm not trying to be super precise. So I just go in and cramp it like this, and it only takes a few seconds to get the result. And you just slowly move it through my hair. And you can see we have our beautiful, super defined waves for seconds. And you can also use hairspray now, but I just spray my hair at the end because my hair just holds the curls anyways. I don't go too close to the root, and honestly this is just the easiest way to get the perfect mermaid beachy effortless waves. And I'm so sorry if I'm watching at the viewfinder so much, but I have to use it as a mirror today, and the fact that I don't use a mirror and I can still easily do this hairstyle, you can see how easy and pretty self-explanatory it is. I also love that this too is so gentle on your hair, and your hair doesn't get stuck in it, which is usually absolutely awful. And I think with the top part you will be able to see better the waves. I think with a hair tool like this you just cannot do anything wrong, and it's so easy to use. And I'm done with the bottom part of my hair. It literally took me 5-6 minutes. It's so easy to do. And I will do just a little bit of hairspray. Now I just put away the bottom part that we already waved, and I go in with the top part. I always make sure to brush out my hair to get rid of the frizziness, and you can do side parting, but for this hairstyle I think I prefer the middle parting. And here we go. I'm official on a dot. You get a vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. Here are the perfect little waves. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Rari. I'm official on a dot. You can hit a vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I don't mean it this. And we all know the most important part is the frontal piece. That's why I take smaller pieces around the front, and I put a little bit more effort into it. And I always try to leave around 1 centimeter or a little bit more at the ends, that I'm not waving it. Look at this. These are the most beautiful defined waves. This is the one side done and the other that's not ready yet. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Rari. I'm official on a dot. You can hit a vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I don't mean it this far. I'm not sorry. And my hair is done. Let me loosen the bottom part. This took me around 15 minutes, and I think I can do it even better. Just to add a little bit of hairspray. This hairstyle lasts me until I wash my hair again, which makes around 4 even 5 days. But my hair naturally keeps hairstyles pretty well. And the last touch for me is to add a little bit of the hair oil Oh my god, this smells absolutely divine. I feel like I didn't do the most perfect job today because I didn't have my big mirror in front of me, but it's still so easy to do it. And as I said, you don't have a lot of room for mistakes. Like, you cannot mess this up.
I rose from the ground, and none of these hoes that can't take it. Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hit a vroom vroom in my ride.
So I think this is the final result for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to try this hairstyle for yourself. Let me know what videos you would like to see next, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!